guys, my name's Kaylee, and I made this virtual zoo in Mr. Harmon's class with my favorite animals, with the work sites down on the second page.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan back at it again with Tinkerpan. Today we made a tree house. We have a little piggy there, people, a couch, and a log house. 2 windows on that side, 1 window on this side. A little bed in the inside. Let's do fit view. Now we can see it. Also, never forget to subscribe to HLModTech. Subscribe, hit the bell. All these amazing videos.
Okay guys, it's me, Thompson, and I built this little cabin, and it's got a bed inside of it, along with a little fireplace that I put in there, and that's it for my Lincoln log house.
It said, with the gang, showing you my log cabin. It's a lot. This was the original one right here. And then here's some trees. There's a nice slide right there. And a ladder. And then there's a lot, some pink doors. Pretty nice. There's the back. The sides are orange. There we are. Bye.
Hi, my name is Christian and I made a virtual zoo.
Hello, I'm Angel, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and I made an entire colony of these zebras. These ones right here, these are the electro zebras, and they can get away from predators faster. And this one right here, like right here, this right here is the magical Zegasus.
Mr. Harmon.
And he is a special because he makes wishes to all zebras, animals who are in need of help. And this is my cool creation by me.
My name is Christian and I made this cool spaceship with that little monster with pink eyes and the spaceship guy with rockets.
Hey guys, it's Colton with another video with my awesome choo-choo train. With the couch block thing and the smokestack and the pad. It's awesome.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan. Today we're doing a video on the amazing classroom of Mr. Harmon. HLModTech. Make sure to subscribe. We have 3D printers. We have a lot of computers. Computers all the way over there. Phoenix. The heart that was 3D printed. All the students. A lot of computers. A lot of cool controllers up here.
Oh yeah, those are like joysticks.
VR. This is Mr. Harmon's area. His mic, his computer. This is where he does his amazing videos.
In Tinkercad, I made the puppets from Five Nights at Freddy's. The face was a little hard, so that's why it kind of looks weird. But I just want to give credit to Eunice. She's the one that helped me do this over Thanksgiving break, and I'd like to say thanks. And if you ever see this video, thank you, and peace out by the rainstorm.
Hey guys, Alina here, back at it again with the video. Here we have my train. It's pretty awesome, and it even has a little conductor guy.
Hello, I'm Angel. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and it's December, and I made this. Merry Christmas from HLModTech. Thank you, Mr. Harmon, for doing all this effort making us this cool Christmas tree. Happy holidays and a Merry Christmas to all.
My name is Ron. I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and this is what I made. Cool spaceship, person, people. So this is Willy. Mrs. Billy. They're brothers. Yeah. So, bye.
What's up, gamers? It's Owen here, coming back at you with another video. It's Gare Bear here. He made a Christmas tree with Xbox this time. Pretty great, right, Gare Bear? See you next time, Harmonators.
I'm Desiree and I'm in modern technology.
Awesome cheese balls.
And I created Gary. This is different types of Garys, but this one I originally made, but I decided to just duplicate it and change the colors. Yeah. Bye. Subscribe to Modtech.
Hey guys, Alina here with my Tinkercad tree. We got gifts and presents and the tin. Say hi.
Hi, my name is Sam. I used to do public
Hey guys, it's HLModTech, and me and Jonathan here, and this is my amazing bank. There is a safe in here. I'm not gonna show you because it's not done though. Yeah, and there is buttons for people walk in, and they're bad, but okay.
Jonathan, I made a wooden train. Pretty cool. I had fun doing it.
Pretty bro.
This is Phoenix.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan here. Doing a video from Keychain for me today. This keychain, my sister did it. Tell her how to do it. Make sure to subscribe to HLModTech.
What's up? It's CJ from Mr. Harmon's HLModTech class, and today we made keychain. Keychain I made was this keychain that says GOAT. As you can see, it indents into it, and it's pretty nice. Keychain is my name in a heart, and it also indents into it, and I thought it was pretty cool. These last two are 3D, and you know, they're pretty nice, I guess, but that's all. Have a great day.
Hey guys, it's Mark, and I made a creeper this time. That was the rough draft over there, and this is the final product. It's great. Watching. Bye.
Hello, my name is Alana, and I'm Mr. Harmon's class, and this is my Christmas tree. Presents and Merry Christmas, y'all.
Hey guys, your boy Rayleigh here. I'm on HLModTech, and today on my Christmas tree I added some Christmas lights, and I think it looks pretty nice since Christmas tree has lights on it.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan. Today we made a Christmas tree. Lights, star. Make sure you subscribe to HLModTech. This is my virtual zoo.
Guys, it's Colton again with another video. Here's my log castle that I made for Mr. Harmon because he said, hey, you got a log cabin? I want a log castle. So I made him a log castle with 4 different pillars and the house in the middle and the drop.
Guys, it's HLModTech, and it's me, Phoenix again, with my Scooby-Doo collar. I'm not done with it yet, but soon I'll have it done.
It's Luke. I just made this awesome tank engine in Mr. Harmon's Modtech class using his lesson. You can see I got the smoke, and then I made the railroad tracks, and then I just made the gravel that surrounds the railroad tracks. And yeah, this is Luke signing out. Have a good day, gamers.
Hey guys, it's HLModTech, and it's Phoenix again with my Kraken house. Yeah, he killed somebody. I'm not done with all the tentacles yet, but I'm almost done. Hi, I'm Angel, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and I made a cool spaceship. There's some people in there. They're going to Mars, and they just made it out. And they're out here in their spaceship, and it looks really really cool.
Hey guys, it's HLModTech. It's me, Phoenix again. And I have a werewolf. His arm got bitten off by this kid named Daniel. That's what happened to it. Yep, now subscribe to HLModTech.
Hey guys, it's Ethan with HLModTech, and then we made this train, and I have added smoke to it. And I think it looks pretty cool.
Hey guys, it's HLModTech with Phoenix again. I'm showing you my Christmas tree with all my some of my creations on it. Subscribe to HLModTech. Daniel's a weirdo, and that's.
Hi, Mr. Harmon's Instagram. Today we're here with Ryan and Bella, and we're gonna be looking at some turtles that we made. Billy the turtle, he's pretty awesome with a hat and some ice cream. And this is Bobby the turtle. He's like the same exact replica of his father. It's snowing out here. Let's see, can you find the mystery heart? Whoa. And now we're here with Brittany the turtle and Bree the turtle, and Bree is the mini replica of Brittany, and they're in the Rocky Mountains. Can you find my hidden heart? Hi!
Hi, my name is Tim, and I'm Mr. Herman's class. Give a big shout out to him. He taught us how to do a video with or do a Google Docs with all pictures, and we created a virtual zoo with adding add-ons right here. And we did the websites right there at the bottom where you can find all the facts.
My name's Christian, and I made this magnificent Merry Christmas tree that has 2 presents underneath it. And I'm in Mr. Harmon's class, and he's the best teacher that I can ever have.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan. Here's a little quick update on my Tinkercam city. Got my turkey in there, the new cabinet, my tree house, human dinosaur. Make sure to subscribe to HLModTech.
Hello everyone, I'm Angel, and I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and I made this cool creation. It's my virtual zoo. I have lots of animals. I have a buffalo right here, a cow right here, and a bighorn sheep right here, and they all have 5 facts and this assignment that he wanted me to do. So it's my cool creation of this virtual zoo. P.S. All these animals are taken care of, not brutally beaten.
Hi guys, it's Kylie here with the treehouse. Look at my beautiful treehouse. It has a sandbox, a slide, and people. Yay.
Hey guys, so here's my tree house. You can see it has some pretty cool stuff like this slide and a lot of furniture inside, and I have my initials on it too.
Guys, it's Zach. I'm here to show you my igloo. Show you inside. A nice couch, lamp, got a plant with a table. Frank says bye.
Oh, frozen.
Hi!
This is my keychain. This one says Sharky. Because I have a shark mouth. She wanted it to face us, but that's fine because it says Sharky. Follow my Instagram. Bye. He'll tag me. Yeah.